Now I will show you how to insert images, use embed and drive option. So I move on to the next page. In the sources page, let me show you first how to insert an images. Now before I start doing this, I'll just suggest that whenever you use images, always use copyright free images. There are several free images available which do not have any copyright issues, or create your own images. So when I click on the image option, you have upload and select. I click on upload since I wish to get the image from the system. So I click on the image that I wish to insert and the image is here. You can resize the image, you can move the image using this cursor. Also, if you wish to delete this section, you can delete it from here. With the image, you have the crop option, with the help of which you can crop the image according to your own desire. There is another option which is uncrop, which will undo the results of the crop option. You can also make this image and link by clicking on the insert link option. Now once this image has been created, I'll show you how to create a video. In order to do so, I create on the embed option. Now it is asking for a URL. Now in order to use a URL, I should know the video that I wish to insert over here. So let me say this is the video that I wish to insert. So I'll copy the link from here like this and paste it here. Okay, so now I can click on the insert option and you can see that the video is also being inserted here. The next thing is drive button. You can upload any content, any document that is present on your drive also on your Google site. So to demonstrate, I click on the drive button. Now it is showing me the drive of the Gmail account that is currently active. I select a document that I wish to upload over here. Let me say this is the document and I click on the insert button. So it is taking some time to upload the report. Yes, now it's here. Now in order to see the complete view, you will have to drag it so that you can see the complete content of the document that I have inserted over here. When you upload a document from the drive, it automatically gets updated when the document in your drive is updated. There are various layouts available to organize your content on the web page. You can see here on the right panel, these are the layouts available. So if I click on the simplest one, which is this over here, you can see that there's a plus button which tells you can insert an image. You can select something from your drive, a video, a calendar, a map can also be inserted. So I'm inserting an image. Here, and I'm typing something over here. So this is the title and I can type any text related to the image that I've inserted over here. Similarly, if I want, I can use another layout to put another content. So suppose I use this particular layout. This is the arrangement that I'll get. I can insert a video or an image over here with the text appearing down.